Hello, today we are going to present about Safflower Water Kefir, which has antioxidant and anti-cancer effect to reduce risk of developing colon cancer. We are from Chiang Mai, Thailand. The members of our group contains Papichaya, Nakpon, Thitiputtra, Semmanee, and Phutawan, Rattanayat. The current COVID-19 pandemic has led most consumers to increasingly prioritize healthcare, particularly through the consumption of functional foods to enhance immunity against various diseases. This trend is a key factor driving the rapid growth in the market value of health foods. One of the interesting beverages in this trend is water kefir. This drink has a sour and good taste, easy to consume, and most people, especially young adults, really adore it. Safflower is variously utilized in traditional medicine for various medical conditions, namely dysmenorrhea, amenorrhea, postpartum, abdominal pain, and mass trauma pain of joints. It is largely used for favoring and calming purpose among the local population. However, there is still limited comparative research on the properties of different parts of the safflower. So that's the start of our project. Our project is divided into many parts, such as 1. Extracting substances from sunflower. 2. Determine the quantity of active compounds in the extract, such as total anthocyanin, total phenolic compound, and total flavonoid. 3. Testing the biological properties of extracts, such as antioxidant by TBPH assay, cytotoxicity by SRB assay, and the anti-inflammatory test by the ELISA kit. 4. Processing into kefir product. In this part, we also analyze the physical, chemical, and microbial characteristics of our kefir products. 1. Color measuring using the color meter. 2. Microbial population count such as lactic acid bacteria, acetic acid bacteria, and yeast. 3. Acidic and alkali using pH meter. 4. Sugar analysis such as glucose, sucrose, and fructose. 5. Alcohol analysis. 6. Total phenolic compounds. And 7. Antioxidant activity using DPPH and ABTS. The solutions are shown in the slide. Next, we are going to talk about the result of this project. It was found that the yield from flower was higher from seed when measuring the quantities of the active components such as anthocyanin, phenolic, and flavonoid. The extract from flower showed higher values than the seed. Moreover, when these extracts were tested in the biological activity, the cytotoxic was higher when the concentration increased, and also the flower shows more anti-inflammatory effect. After we have processed into the kefir product, it was found that the antioxidant activity using the DPPH method reveals significant difference between two types of kefir. It was observed that antioxidant activity tends to decrease with the increased fermentation time. And also, as the time passed by, the yeast used the sugar, so it shows that the sugar decreases when the time passes. Our product is the Safflower Water Kefir. We hope that consumers nowadays seek beverage with reduced or no sugar content but still desire to satisfying taste. The trend of incorporating functional ingredients to enhance neutral values to respond consumer demand, particularly for probiotic and prebiotic products. And also, it will be another way that we will increase the use of the sunflower in the medical terms like the water kefir drink, and also it will be another way for people to take care of themselves more easily to prevent the colon cancer that may develop in the future, because we all have the risk to develop cancer. Thank you for your attention.